Topic operating system part 2. Now we will discuss how can we shut down our computer. Firstly, click on the main button, click shutdown button. When we click the small arrow next to it, you will find there will be other options too. First one is switch user, second one log off, third one lock, fourth one restart, fifth one sleep, and the last one hibernate. Now we will discuss in detail what are these options and what can they do. Firstly, shutdown. Shutdown completes shut down a computer. Log off, close all windows, programs and documents. Logs off your user account, and displays the welcome screen. Restart, shut down and starts your computer again immediately afterwards. Switch user. Locks your user account and display the welcome screen so that another user can log on their account. Then we have lock. Lock your user account, then display the welcome screen same as lock button. Then we have sleep option. Save your work, turn off the monitor, then reduces power usage to all hardware so your computer appears off, same as power button. And the last one we have hibernate. It save your work, then turn off your computer. Basically, hibernate option is available in laptop computers. Students, to open Paint program, you have to follow these steps. Firstly, click Start and then All Programs. Second step is click Accessories and then click Paint program. The Paint program. Another easy way to open a program is to click the Start button and type the name of the program you want to open in the search box. Students, here we have search box. We just write Paint program, then press enter. And the third method is by shortcut key. Firstly, press Windows key plus R through the keyboard. Second step is after pressing this shortcut, a window will appear in front of you like this. Third step is this is the run box of Windows. In its search box, you have to type MS Paint or MS Paint. Remember that it has to be written exactly like this. Don't give space in it. And then click on OK button. To save your drawing, click the main button. Click Save As option. Then this window will appear. You have to write file name. I type flag. Then select the Save As type. I select PNG. Then select the location where you want to save your drawing. I select picture. Then click on Save button. Then your drawing will be saved in with file name, flag, and students, there is a difference between minimize button, maximize button, and close button. First one, here we have minimize button. The minimize button minimizes the window on the taskbar so you can use it later. And the second one is we have maximize or restore down button. Maximize or restore down button changes the size of the window from full screen to preset size. And the last one is we have close button. The close button closes the window. To conclude our lesson, what we learned today, basically operating system controls and coordinates the use of the hardware among the various application programs for various uses. We can say that it plays a very important role in computer system, and it provides all the tools the user needs to control the computer. And your second assignment is to perform hands-on activity on page number 19. Thank you so much.